It's been a while, hasn't it? In this video, we'll be talking about what is a body corporate, when you will use a body corporate, and we'll be launching a quick video about how we can assist managing agents and individuals who live in a body corporate with obtaining a quote for the body corporate's financial audit once a year. Cue the intro and let's get into it. Welcome to the channel. This is JJT Accountants and Auditors, formerly known as Practitioner Accounting Services. My name is Jacques. You will meet Taljaard in just a little bit. And in this video, I'll be telling you briefly, answering the question, what is a body corporate? A body corporate is a situation that is defined in the Sectional Title Schemes Act. The Sectional Titles Act. It's considered a community scheme, and basically what it means is where more than one person jointly owns a specific section of a property, that is considered a body corporate. A body corporate has to be registered with the Community Services Ombuds Service, the CSOS, just like the Ombudsman for community schemes. And body corporates has a requirement, according to the Community or the Sectional Titles Act, to be audited once a year, or to at least have the financial statements audited once a year, usually within 4 months of the financial year end. Now, every year the audit of the body corporate needs to be authorized by the members of the body corporate. So if you're an owner in an apartment complex or in a townhouse complex or even a security complex or an estate or things like that, chances are you're part of a body corporate, and the body corporate needs to have the financial statements audited, and the auditor has to be appointed typically at the annual general meeting of the body corporate's members. Usually the managing agents will arrange these meetings and provide 3 quotes, and quite often very often you will need a comparative quote. So I'm going to hand over to Taljaard in just a bit. Recently there's been a bit of changes in some regulations. He'll briefly go over that, and then Taljaard is going to help you with a step-by-step process on how you can obtain a quote for the audit of the body corporate's financial year end from JJT Services. And the idea is that this will help managing agents with that kind of reportability, and if we gain a couple of clients throughout with that, it's a win-win situation for everyone. So cue the transfer, and I'm heading over to Taljaard right now.
As I spoke about this in the previous weeks, we said that we're going to talk about body corporates and HOA audits. So some interesting facts, some interesting information about the acts. Remember that body corporates used to be the Sectional Titles Act of 1986. It used to be one act. It's now actually, we need to comply with 2 acts and regulations. It actually makes work for us a lot more. Our audit work is more contained in the management regulations, where that actually provides for the body corporates and homeowners associations and share blocks. So that is important to know that in the old act, if we talk about the Act of 1986, we only had about 20 items to comply with, or regulations to comply with, when we actually perform audit procedures. We now need to comply with 71 regulations just to finish our audit. And my question today is, how many times have you seen auditors charge 1,000 or 2,000 Rand for an audit on a body corporate or a homeowners association? And what I'm telling you today is, it's impossible that they actually comply with 71 regulations that they need to verify and actually confirm that it's being implemented and it's being exercised by the trustees and the management agents and that body corporate. So I said to you, listen, you guys, we're going to do some nice things, and we're presenting a new product we've developed. So I want everyone to take out their Samsungs, and if you have an iPhone, let's see if it works on the iPhone. And you go to jjtacc.co.za. What we've done there, you go to quote request, and then you start filling in this step 1 with just some basic information. The type of client, you've got 3 options, and the managing agents, and Anneke, that's why I'm looking at you, you need to put in there for a client of mine, and then just a quick question, how did you hear about us? The next part of that step 1, then you choose type of business, the body corporate. You put in the body corporate name, and you put in the number of units in that body corporate or homeowners association, and you give me the year end. And then it's as easy as next step. On the second step, it confirms the information that you've actually provided. And the moment you press request quote, you just need to confirm some terms and conditions, and you can then ask whether you'd like to be added to our mailing list, and then you submit. It confirms that information, and you will immediately see that you've already been quoted for that body corporate or HOA audit. Now, we've found that in our industry as auditors, a lot of them take 2-3 weeks to get back to you. So we've actually designed this process to make sure that body corporates and HOAs can get a quote as easy as this. 3 steps. This will also then be emailed to you. Nice email from our system with a proper proposal detailing what will be included in that audit. Guys, that's us. That's how easy that process is. And that's why I need introductions to all the managing agents. I want to go and sit with the best of them, Jawets, and I actually then want to show them how easy this is to use. But please remember, follow our Facebook page, go and check us out on LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that all will be on there to have a look at. We've got some interesting educational items coming through, and that's Gerard Jacobs from JJT. Thank you.